Shamata. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Children, today we will know about how we get into trouble if we interfere in others' affairs. Once upon a time, in a big jungle, a gang of monkeys lived in the large grove just outside the city. The grove was full of fruit trees. Bunches of bananas hung all year round. Other trees sprouted juicy oranges, sweet chicos, and tangy pomegranates. Among the gang was a young monkey called Makaranda. He was the most energetic of the lot. He would jump from tree to tree all day long. He would climb the highest of branches, ignoring the senior monkey's advice against such risky play. One day, a group of humans from the city arrived at the grove carrying axes in their hands. They began cutting down trees in one part of the grove. Initially, the monkeys were very scared. They feared the humans would cut down their entire grove. Soon, however, they were only clearing a small part to build a temple. The monkeys watched in fascination as the humans piled the logs of wood and began constructing the temple. Every afternoon at 1 o'clock, the workers would go away for lunch. They would rest for an hour and then resume their work. The monkeys would enter the area as soon as they left. Jumping among the piles of wood and picking up construction tools was a nice break from swinging on trees. One day, Makranda noticed a large trunk of a tree which had been cut down. The workers were trying to split it into half, and the work was not finished yet. A large wedge was placed where a cut had been made to ensure the trunk wouldn't snap back together. Makaranda jumped on the log of wood and sat on it with his leg dangling down in the gap in the wood. He became curious about the piece of wood used as the wedge. He tried to shake it. The wedge did not move. Hey, Makaranda, the senior monkeys yelled at him. Don't mess with their work. Ha, thought Makaranda, spoil sport. He tried to pull the wedge off the log. He pulled hard at the wedge, which stuck quite tightly. Makaranda's face went red. He sat on the log with legs on each side. The tail was dangling down through the split. He tried again and again and again. And then suddenly the wedge came flying out of the trunk. The log stuck together with a snap, cutting off the dangling tail with it. The monkeys watched as the wedge slipped out of Makaranda's hand and went across the clearing. And then they heard a loud cry. The monkey lost its tail because of his curiosity. When the carpenter came, he felt very sad to see the monkey Makaranda without tail. A monkey who poked his nose into affairs that are not his concern and got into trouble. Children, look before you leap. One should not interfere in others' affairs. It is not wise to poke our nose into unknown affairs. One who does so surely comes to grief. Children, so moral of the story is you should not interfere with somebody's life, else you will end up in trouble. Think twice before you do any action. Don't get in without knowing how to get out. Children, like and subscribe my channel Katha Shravanam for more interesting stories. Stay home, stay safe, be happy, and take care.